Former President Donald Trump is once again in the headlines, and this time, it's for his increasingly hostile rhetoric towards the FBI. Trump has been publicly naming and attacking FBI agents who were involved in investigations against him. He has accused them of treason and called for their prosecution. These actions have raised serious concerns about the safety of these agents and the rule of law in the United States. Trump's attacks on the FBI are not new. He has repeatedly accused the agency of being biased against him and has called the investigations into his conduct a witch hunt. However, his recent actions are particularly alarming because they go beyond mere criticism and directly target individual agents. Trump's supporters have largely echoed his sentiments, with many expressing distrust and anger towards the FBI. Some Republicans, however, have expressed concern over Trump's rhetoric, fearing that it could incite violence against law enforcement officers. This is a dangerous and troubling situation. The FBI is one of the most important law enforcement agencies in the United States, and its agents put their lives on the line every day to protect our country. They deserve our respect and support, not to be vilified by a former president. Legal experts have warned that Trump's actions could have serious consequences. Naming and shaming FBI agents could lead to harassment, intimidation, and even violence against them and their families. This is not an exaggeration. In the past, we have seen how dangerous it can be when law enforcement officers are targeted by individuals or groups who feel that they have been wronged. Furthermore, Trump's attacks could compromise ongoing investigations and deter future whistleblowers from coming forward. If FBI agents believe that they will be publicly attacked by a former president for simply doing their job, they may be less likely to pursue sensitive investigations or report wrongdoing. This would be a serious blow to the rule of law and could make it more difficult to hold powerful people accountable for their actions. Trump's attacks on the FBI have further divided an already polarized nation. His supporters see him as a victim of a political witch hunt, while his detractors see him as a threat to democracy. Public opinion on Trump's actions is mixed. Some polls show that a majority of Americans disapprove of his attacks on the FBI, while others show that his supporters remain steadfast in their belief that he is being unfairly targeted. Social media has become a battleground for this debate, with both sides accusing the other of spreading misinformation and inciting violence. This toxic atmosphere is making it increasingly difficult to have a rational conversation about the important issues facing our country. The potential consequences of Trump's actions are far-reaching. If he is not held accountable, it could set a dangerous precedent for future presidents and other elected officials. It is essential that we uphold the rule of law and protect the institutions that are essential to our democracy. The FBI plays a vital role in keeping our country safe, and its agents must be able to do their jobs without fear of reprisal. It remains to be seen what legal or political ramifications Trump may face for his actions. However, one thing is clear. His attacks on the FBI are a dangerous escalation of his assault on the institutions of American democracy. We must all be concerned about the potential consequences of his actions.